Today we learn about action words. Teething. The girl is brushing her teeth. Eating. The girl is eating her breakfast. Reading. The girl is reading. Writing. The girl is writing her homework. Praying. The girl is praying. Laughing. The boy is laughing. Crying. The baby is crying. Standing. The boy is standing. Sitting. The girl is sitting. Running. The children are running. Jumping. The kids are jumping. Dancing. The kids are dancing. Swimming. The boy is swimming. Clapping. The girl is clapping her hands. Washing. The girl is washing her face. Cleaning. The girl is cleaning her home. Helping. The girl is helping to an old lady. Smiling. The girl is smiling. Saving. The girl is saving our money. Kicking. The children are kicking the ball. Throwing. The boy is throwing a ball. Skipping. The boy is playing skipping. Sharing. The boy is sharing his cookie. Yawning. The boy is yawning. Sleeping. The girl is sleeping in the bed. Thank you.